There's no loss of suction with the Hoover patented Windtunnel T-Series vacuum. It removes embedded dirt and minimizes scatter on carpet. It includes a powerful hand tool for precision cleaning and a rinsable HEPA filter. At only 16.5 pounds, this vacuum is light and easy to use with thorough cleaning power. Gently tap the pedal to activate the 27-foot cord rewind and retract the cord to store neatly inside. The intuitive power controls are conveniently positioned where they should be, right at your fingertips. It features a no-scuff bumper which protects furniture when you can't be as careful as you'd like. It offers a 5-position carpet height adjustment for cleaning all floor types easily and efficiently.